Hi guys, today we're making Stovetop Burfee. In a pan on high heat, add in 1.5 cups of cream, half a teaspoon of ground cardamom, and half a cup of ground almonds. Mix it together and allow it to heat up. When it just starts to boil, add in 3 cups of icing sugar and half a teaspoon of rose essence. Mix it well and allow it to boil again. Then add in 500 grams of milk powder, I'm using klim, and mix it until no dry klim remains. Make sure to use a pan big enough to do this. Continue to mix and cook over medium-high heat until the mixture loosens and comes away from the sides of the pan. Then transfer it into a greased baking dish. Spread it out evenly and make sure to work quickly as this mixture starts to set almost immediately. Sprinkle on some colored almonds and pat it in gently. Refrigerate the mixture for an hour to overnight, then use a sharp knife to cut it into smaller pieces. This is the burfee after it had spent an hour in the fridge. And this is the burfee overnight. Enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.